Go ahead and get yourself into a comfortable position. You can choose to sit or you can lie on your back for this meditation. It's up to you. If you're sitting, be sure to relax your shoulders and keep your spine straight. And just settling in now wherever you are, and very gently closing your eyes. Start to notice the breath coming effortlessly in and out of the nose. And as you breathe, see if you can just try to slow that breathing down just a bit. Taking your time as you inhale, slowly just taking that breath in. And then when you exhale, same thing, slowly pushing that breath or guiding that breath out of the nose. And just continue breathing like this, slowly and deeply. As you continue to breathe, slowly in and out of the nose, feeling your body softening and relaxing. Feeling the nervous system relax, letting the crown of your head melt toward the floor. Feeling all the muscles in your face relax. Feeling the throat relax. Feeling the heart and the chest melt and relax downward. Feeling both the left and right arms and left and right hands relax and melt toward the floor. Feeling the rib cage relax. Feeling the solar plexus and the belly melt and soften down toward the floor. Feeling your pelvis relax and sink deep down toward the earth. Feeling both of your legs and both of your feet relax. And just keep breathing deeply, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. And now, focusing on the base of the penis and just settling here. Just keeping your attention in this place, breathing and feeling the entire base of your penis relax. Feeling the base of your penis softening and melting even more deeply with each breath that you take. And with every breath that you take, the base of your penis is releasing more and more tension and becoming more and more relaxed. And now, settling your attention into your testicles. Continue breathing here, and as you breathe, just allowing your testicles to relax toward the ground. As you breathe, just imagining that your testicles are releasing any energies or any emotions that have been stuck or stagnant in that space, just letting all of it go. With every breath that you take, more and more releasing, more and more softening and relaxing. And now going to the very tip of your penis and concentrating all of your energy into this place, into the very tip. Resting here at the tip of your penis as you continue inhaling and exhaling through the nose. And as you do this, as you breathe, just feeling your entire tip melt and relax. Feeling the entire tip of your penis releasing any tension and just completely surrendering now. And just keep doing this with each breath that you take. The tip of your penis relaxes even more deeply and releases even more deeply. And now, moving your attention to the shaft of the penis, settling your focus here, your attention here as you continue to breathe deeply in and out of the nose. And as you settle here, just taking a moment to notice what the shaft of your penis feels like. Breathing deeply now as you honor this space, this shaft, by simply paying attention to it. And now on your next inhale, I want you to imagine that you are sending a deep breath down the body and into the shaft of your penis. At the end of your inhale, you're going to hold the breath, imagining that you are holding it in the shaft of the penis. So all your concentration as you hold this breath is in the shaft here in the penis. And then when you exhale, you're going to imagine your breath massaging the shaft of your penis, and you're going to feel your entire shaft relaxing and melting. So let's go ahead and do this now. Go ahead and inhale nice and deep through the nose, imagining that you are guiding that breath down the body and into the shaft of the penis. And at the end of that inhale, holding that breath here as you concentrate inside the shaft, holding it here. And then when you're ready, very slowly easing into that exhale, exhaling and just allowing that breath to massage the shaft of the penis, imagining that it's releasing and removing any stuck tension, any stuck emotions that might be lingering there. And just continue this again, nice deep inhale through the nose, directing that breath down into the shaft. And then at the end of that inhale, holding that breath here in the shaft of the penis, concentrating in the shaft, concentrating your energy here, holding it, and then very slowly easing into that exhale, allowing that breath to massage the shaft, feeling the shaft relax and release. And now just roll through this practice on your own, remembering to inhale, guide the breath into the shaft, hold as you focus on the shaft, and then exhale as you massage the shaft. Taking some time now on your own. Now finishing up just one last breath here. And when you're done, you can go ahead and let go of this practice and just come back to breathing nice and relaxed through the nose, nice and deep. And as you do this, feel your entire penis. And just notice what's present here. Breathing in to all of the sacred energy and power that you have in this area. Feeling that deep sense of the divine masculine within you. Aligning to this divine masculine is your path toward more pleasure, joy, openness, bliss, and balance. And now focus on your heart space. Focus into the center of your chest and feel the force of love within you. And let yourself shine that love in your heart down into your penis, imagining that love, that energy in the heart is a bright, bright light that is shining down into the penis, sending love and compassion toward this sacred part of you. And take a moment now to feel that love for who you are as a man. Know that you are sacred and precious, and that your presence on this planet is a blessing. Wrap your arms around yourself in a deep hug and feel deep gratitude for who and what you are. Thank you so much for being present and doing this Lingam or penis healing meditation with me. Sending you much love and many blessings.